everyone, on this first video I'll be showing you the process of building a chassis for a homemade and low-cost kart cross. Let's start with the lower frame. This part is built with 40 by 40 by 2 mm square tube. The first step is to cut the parts in the right lengths and angles. I would recommend you to use a saw that allows you to cut the angle that you choose. Make sure that you clean all the edges. Double check that everything fits right at this point. The front suspension support is also part of the lower frame. For this one we use 30 by 30 by 2 mm square tube. The next step is the top frame. Similar process to the lower one, just cut the parts and make sure everything fits right. Here we can see both parts. It's the right time to check that everything has the right sizes, because after this we will start to weld. To put these parts together we use the stick welder and later a TIG welder to complete the welds. Use the method that you are more comfortable with. Hold everything tight to the table and make sure that no parts move. Use a flat surface for the best results. Remember that this is the base for the rest of the project. At this point we added the two vertical tubes that connect the lower and upper frame in the pretended angle. After finishing all the welds, it's time to start building the safety cage. Depending on the purpose and speeds that you target for the kart cross, the material of the cage can vary. I chose 25 nominal size, which has an outside diameter of 33.7 mm and a thickness of 3.2 mm. To perform the bending, I used the manual tube bender. There are plenty of videos on YouTube that will help you on this step. Here we can see both the front and rear roll bars in place. We added these two tubes to reinforce the roll bar. Make sure that you can fit inside the car while using a helmet. For tall people, you might need to bend this. For all the measurements and cut design, you can find many projects online, and then adapt for your own requirements. On the next video, I'll show you how I built the suspension and steering parts. Subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.